Welcome to the Arctic Explorer room at the Alton Towers Hotel. First off, when we come in the room, straight on your right hand side, you've got your tea making facilities, your cot for little ones, ironing board and iron and some hanging space. We've even got a little mini fridge in this one. And a drawer to store stuff in. And then on your left, you've got the bathroom. Single vanity, nice mirror, toilet, and then behind the door, you've got the bath and shower with a little pool seen out the window. So coming through into the main room, you've got a seating area, full length mirror, double bed with cupboard either side, single bed with a little pull out underneath bed, and a really awesome polar bear on top of it. Sir Algernon's mate.
Yeah, and also the bed.
Yep, there's the pull out bed. And then you've got another little seating area and a little mini desk with some really cool old fashioned lamps everywhere through this room. I like them. And the artwork's pretty awesome in this room. You've got like an outdoor Arctic window in the room so you can see, I'm guessing, Sir Algernon's experiments out there. And then the actual window, we've got a nice little view of the woodland area. Even the telly surround's like themed. Look at that. It looks like an experiment. And that's pretty much it for the Arctic Explorer room here at the Alton Towers Hotel. Let us know in the comments what you think of it. Would you stay here?